Xin chào, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope that this channel is the ultimate resource to learning the beautiful Vietnamese language. In today's lesson, we will learn about Vietnamese alphabet. The Vietnamese language uses the Latin script, similar to English. It consists of 29 letters, including both consonants and vowels. Now, let's explore the unique letters in Vietnamese alphabet. A, Á, Ớ, Bờ, Cờ, Giờ, Đờ, E, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, Ơ, P, Q, R, S, T, U, Ư, V, S, I. Now, let's repeat to me. A, pronounced like R in father. A, pronounced like in fun. Pronounced like in cut. Bờ, pronounced like bờ in boy. Cờ, pronounced like cờ in cat. Giờ, pronounced like giờ in zoo. Đờ, pronounced like the in dog. E, pronounced like air in a bed. A, pronounced like a in a gate. G, pronounced like g as in gold. H, pronounced like her in the house. E, pronounced like E in sea. K, pronounced like K in kick. L, pronounced like L in love. M, pronounced like M in mother. N, pronounced like N in nice. O, pronounced like O in the boat. O, pronounced like O in a note. Pronounced like in water. P, pronounced like P in the pen. Q, pronounced like K in kite. R, pronounced like R in rice. Sh, pronounced like sh, pronounced like sh in shy. T, pronounced as T in top. U, pronounced as U as a pool. Pronounced as oo in the boot. V, pronounced as v, as a vote. Sir, pronounced like sir in sun or box. E, pronounced as e in sea. Very good. We have learned the entire Vietnamese alphabet. Remember the sound of each letters and keep practices at home carefully because it is the foundation of Vietnamese words. That's all for today's lesson. Remember that together we will explore the beautiful of Vietnamese language. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại. Goodbye and see you soon.